Went to Panera Bread and I realized where they got their name from because I spent $13 on a sandwich and I basically only got two pieces of bread. Hardly any chicken on it whatsoever. I think there was some cheese on there. Not sure I could find it. Chipotle Grill's the same thing. The portions have gotten so small. I'm at a point where I now order like two entrees. I probably spend like $20 just to like get enough food because the portions are so small. But I get it. You're stuck between raising prices, shrinking portions. Pick one. You raise prices, you piss people off, and then we know that if supply prices go down, that people don't like lowering the prices at the restaurant. And what hell? The airlines do that to you, right? I just don't know where the hell we go from there. How's it only 7%? Well, we know why. They only track certain things. I'm back up to paying $3.89 again for diesel. It dropped down when Omicron hit and kind of scared the public a little bit on travel, and oil went down. But here we are. I'm paying $3.89 again, wondering when I'm going to see $4 diesel. It doesn't seem to be any end in sight. I'm waiting on some electronics for my studio right now that I've been waiting on forever. There's no sign of those things coming. I ordered a truck back in September, and I should have got a build order by now. They don't even have a build. I don't have a build date yet. They don't even know when it's going to get built. So you look at these compounding issues on supply chain now. Grocery stores. Now they've been saying this for over a month, but no one wanted to listen. You get on social media and people are saying it's not true. Well, it's true. I'm pretty sure I saw it on CNN or something this morning that, grocery store shelves are starting to go bare. My father's been trying to get items for a month from Kroger. He can't get them. I had someone else that did a whole online order, and every single item was substituted. We have issues. Why are we in denial about this? What is the fix is my question. It seems like last year was weird, but we had hope. You got into March, the vax was rolling out, numbers started to drop, the numbers started really to go down in the summer, and then the world fell apart. We started hitting inflation, worker shortage, supply chain issues. We did that extra stimulus in March or April. I don't know how many trillions that was. I mean, did that hurt us? Look at how fast everything just fell apart. And I don't know, where do we go from here? Looking at food prices, housing prices, every asset class is overvalued. Looking at 3 or 4 rate hikes this year, and they're predicting 25 basis points. I'm saying don't be surprised if they do more than that. I think we automatically assume that every move up and down is only 25 basis points. I don't think that's true. I wouldn't be surprised to see 50 basis points or more on some moves, depending on how bad inflation gets. Oh, I tell you, it's enough to stress you out. You see what's going on in the world? It seems like no one's got an answer anywhere. It's not just the United States. Where is it going good anywhere? Everywhere's got problems. No one's got a solution. There's nothing that tells me things are going to fundamentally change in the next 12 months. Have you seen anything? Drop a comment. What are we doing right now, whether it's a policy, whether it's a vax, whether it's something to do with money supply, solving supply chain issues, anything. What are we doing right now that would change the outcome in 12 months? It's the Einstein thing of doing the same thing over and over and over and expecting different results. I'm not seeing anything right now that says, hey, the actions we're taking now are going to change the direction in the next 9 to 12 months. So I feel like inflation is more than 7%. I think we've all been saying that for a while. We've been talking about this for months before it finally became news, because I think people are in denial that this is going on. It's like we were getting those grocery bills that were 30% more way before the news started really pushing it. But it's inflation's a hell of a tax on everybody, especially the middle class and below. So I just don't know what we do. We raise rates too fast. We're going to collapse the housing market and everything associated with credit. We sit here and go like this, and you're just evaporating the American paycheck, forcing, the working class to just take a massive hit. We got ourselves in a hell of a pickle. But do you think it's only 7%? Drop a comment. I'm curious. I don't think so, but we'll see.